A very good morning to dear students. My name is Miss Ashwini Nival and I welcome you all to my GK class. Dear students, GK means General Knowledge. As we study subjects like maths, EVS, English, Marathi, Hindi, computer, physical education, similarly we study GK and it is a very important part of our curriculum. So, without wasting time, let's move towards our GK textbook. Means we are going to see which textbook we are going to use in this year and chapter number 1. So, dear students, as you can see, this is the textbook of GK, means General Knowledge, for standard 3rd. And this year you are going to use it. And the name of the textbook is Times. This is the first page of our textbook. As you can see, these are contents. Here, all the names of the chapters along with page numbers are given here. So, it helps us to identify the chapter name along with its page number. And from this page number, we have to start our chapters. That's all. Dear students, all these are ingredients as you can see because all these are the requirements of our first chapter of GK. So, have a look. Chana dal, tur dal, peanuts or groundnuts, urad dal, chilies, ginger, salt, rice flour, jaggery and tamarind. And all these are spices to give a proper taste to our food. Dear students, have a look on this page number. Page number 4, chapter number 1, Food from South India. Okay, so dear students, in this chapter, we are going to see some famous food from South India. So, have a look. And you have to observe all these dishes. When we think about South Indian cuisine, we see images of idli, sambar, vada and dosa. But there is more variety of cuisine in South India, made rich with flavors, using spices and local ingredients. Okay, dear students, as we know that if we hear the name South Indian dish, it means we find idli, sambar, vada, dosa. These things always come in front of our eyes. Okay. Now we are going to see some more dishes in detail. Kerala. Kerala is one of the state of India. Idiyappam is a name of a dish. Okay. It is simply string hoppers made of rice flour. It is Indian steamed rice noodles. So this, as you can see in the picture, this dish looks like noodles and these noodles are made up of rice flour. As you can see, children, this is rice flour. Next is Injipuli. Injipuli is a dark brown sweet sour and spicy Kerala curry made of ginger, tamarind, green chilies and jaggery. So dear students, Injipuli is a dish which is made up of with the help of ginger, then tamarind, some green chilies and jaggery. So all these ingredients we use to make this Injipuli. And the taste of this dish is somewhat sweet and sour. Next is Telangana. Telangana is also one of the state of India. Sarvapindi. Sarvapindi is name of one of the dish of Telangana. It is pancake made of rice flour, spices and peanuts. It is also called as tepla cheka. So, see children, as you can see, this dish looks like paratha. As you know that. So, with the help of rice flour, some spices As you can see here, all these spices they use and some peanuts we use to make this dish. Then next is Puntikura Chana Dal, also called Gangura Pappu, is made by boiling red sorrel leaves and tuvar dal or chana dal in pressure cooker, and then spices and tempering are added to it. So dear students, this is the dish which is made up of some chana dal or tuvar dal. Okay. And red sorrel leaves means it is a kind of leaf which is of red color. Generally South Indian people use in their cooking. Next is Karnataka. Akki roti is rice bread, a typical breakfast item in Karnataka. It is made of rice flour mixed with salt, water, kneaded into dough and patted as roti directly on the tawa. Okay, so dear students, akki roti is made with the help of rice flour and some salt, and if you want you can add some veggies in that, and it is looking like some rice chilas. Okay, then next is page number 5. Ragi mudda is made up of ragi and the other name of ragi is finger millet, flour and water. It has to be boiled in a special way and balls are made of it to be eaten with rasam. So rasam is a liquid form of dish, and with this dish they generally eat this ragi mudda. Okay, and ragi is a kind of a grain, and in English it is called as finger millet. Next is Tamil Nadu. Avial is a thick mixture of vegetables and coconut, seasoned with coconut oil and curry leaves. So dear students, as you can see the picture, this picture looks like mixed veg, but mixed veg made in South India. Okay, that's why the name is avial, and generally South Indian people use coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil, curry leaves in there to make some dishes, to make vegetable. Next is murukku. Murukku is a savory crunchy snack named in Tamil from the word twisted. It is made of rice flour, urad dal flour, salt and fried in oil. So dear students, as we know that chakli where we make at the time of Diwali festival, so it looks like that, and it is a kind of dish, okay, and it is made up of rice flour, yes, then urad dal flour that I don't have now, and they add some salt in that. Okay, so with the help of all these ingredients they make this dish, and it is very crunchy, and this name they got from the word twisted. Next is Andhra Pradesh. Chepla Pulusu. Chepla Pulusu is a dish from Andhra Pradesh. It's a typical tangy Andhra style fish curry cooked in tamarind sauce. So dear students, this dish is non-veg dish, means it is a fish curry, okay, and they generally cook it with tamarind sauce. Okay, so as you can see, this is tamarind, and in this sauce they make this chepla pulusu. And the last is perasattu. Perasattu is a dish similar to dosa and is made with the batter of green gram dal. So dear students, as we know that we make dosas with the help of rice and urad dal, but here this parasutta is a kind of a dosa, but they use here green gram dal to make it. And as you can see the very delicious picture here, and it is served with chutney. Okay, so dear students, here we have completed. Dear students, so in this chapter number 1, we had studied various South Indian dishes and some ingredients. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, goodbye and have a great day ahead.